Hey guys, Dave Ray here with DB Restorations with my beautiful 7-year-old daughter Hailey.
Hi.
All right, Hailey is going to show us how easy it is to put disc pads in your Wilwood front disc brakes. All right, you ready, Hailey?
I am.
All right, so where do we start?
We start with the cotter pin. First, we take the rubber band out. We lay it on a piece of cardboard. And then we take the cotter pin out and lay it right with the rubber band.
All right.
And then we have these brakes. The scratchy part goes towards the black. I forgot what their name is, so...
Yep, you're doing just fine. It's the rotor, and it is the black part. You're doing great. Look at that, how easy that was. Next pad, you got to flip it, right? There you go. Perfect. This is what happens if we put our brakes in backwards.
They will squeak.
They will squeal and make all kinds of noise. Yeah. All right, now what do we got to do?
We get the cotter pin.
Okay.
We put it back in.
Awesome. And normally we would just put that pin back in and bend it over, but we're going to put the rubber band back on because we're not completely done with this setup in case I got to pull them back out. I'm not going to bend up my pin.
And we are done, guys. Bye.
See how easy that was? Take care, you guys. Remember, this video is sponsored by Icebox Performance. Hailey's sporting that really cool hat. And DT Auto Brokers, because this is their beautiful 70 CUDA that this front suspension's going in. So you guys take care, click it, like it, share it, check out our website, www.dbrestorations.us. All right, you guys, take care. Bye.